Tete muchonda kudaisuka ndauya ndine nyaya yangu yandinayo kuzondiratidza musikana wangu wanda kuroora. Ndo nyaya yandanayo kuti ndikuudzei. Anonzi Tandile.
Anonzi Tandile. Unobvepi kona mwana?
Ndibvuya koBulawayo.
Unobvepi?
koBulawayo.
Augone shona?
Hayi.
KwaBulawayo? Saka you want to marry my grandson?
Yes.
You want to marry you?
Yes.
You? Is this the way you dress?
Yes, that's how we dress where I come from.
Can you lift yourself up?
Is it bad?
Are you coming to see Amazemurum?
Yes.
Dressing like this?
There's nothing wrong with the way I'm dressing.
Urugutikwe?
Kuyasoleka yini? Ku-right njengoba. Umuntu agqoke into ayifunayo, ku-right awuboni lutho okubi. Umlenze wami u-right, u-fresh labona.
Nayi iwe Peter. Are you sure that you can marry this kind of a woman?
Ndio wandakasarudza kuti.
Kodwa yena ungekelile mfika sibili lapha ngigqoke so. Then nina selindlela ukuthi lokho engugqokile awenzi. Sihambile sa driver all the way coming from Waterfall sibuya la. Sengitshela ukuthi izinto zamazenzi kodwa yena ungichiyile. Ngabuya sibili ngigqoke so khathi sokuthi kuyenze ngugqokile kubi nga.
Iwe. Munathi kufeke zvakadai mani.
Mina angilala.
If you want to talk with me, let me give you a example.
No, I'm not going to wear it. I'm not going to put it on. Trust me. No.
If you want to talk to me.
No.
No, if it is like that.
I leave this place, it's fine. It's okay. Asambe. Angisafuni. So uhle wakhanya ukuthi mina lapha amfunakali ve. Ngoba ngendlela engigqoke ngayo kubi nga. Ku right lokho, kubi nga.
You wanna penga here? Are you mental?
Tete wonai. Ndozva ndakasarudzoka kuti ndiwo ndiri kuda.
Wanoka mukadzi kubvawo here?
Ikakufunayo. Ruto rinapasa nezvekupfeka. Yenofuna lokho uthande so the way I dress. He met me in Kogama miniskirts now, and I will continue wearing them. It's okay. If you don't want me, it's fine. We can leave this place. Let's go.
Tete wonai.
Bakutshengisile ukuthi mina bangifuni.
Iwewe ndoda munhu ari normal wazvizwa.
Asambe.
Handidi zvinhu zvakadai so panapa.
Saka wonai Tete.
Ndinomuratidza seana baba vako nana mai vako. Munhu akadai so. Kusaka akashama zvakaita.
Mina yeye ngigqoke izambia le. No,
Akashama zvakashama.
Asambe. Ngeke ngibe lapha phela sokuthiwa mina ngigqokanga. Asambe.
Baby ndikuthula Zambia.
Handei.
Get out. Today night. Fambi yako. Today ni fambi.
Ndo chukona Tete.
Handidi zvakadai pane. Never ever. Hakuna zvakadaro. Hey, vana vamazuva ano vakupenga asikana. Kuya kushama kuita durunhuru chokwadi kuya kuti ari kuratidzwa hama dzemurume. Is that fair? Neveduwe kana nemiwo nyika. Nyika tindinzwireiwo ndionereiwo. Nyika ndionereiwo. Haiwa. Uyu muyedzo waSatani chaiwo. Muyedzo. Get away! Yeah.